Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to download CapCut app in iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your app store. Here we go. Make sure you are connected to internet. You're gonna land to this kind of page. Now at the top, you can see this search box. Type in your CapCut. After app appears at the right corner, you're gonna see this arrow kind of icon. You have to tap on it. Or also you might see the option of get as it is showing for VN app. So all you have to do is tap on that option of get or arrow kind of icon. And now it's in the process to be downloaded. You have to wait for a few seconds. After completion of its download, you're gonna see the option of open. Tap on it. Tap on accept. And now you are good to go. You can easily sign into your CapCut app and use it. So this is how you can easily download CapCut app in your iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.